Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Green Diamond. Today, we're not just talking about money, we're talking about where it disappears. Because sometimes, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you leak. In this episode of Green Diamond's Financial Motivation series, we uncover the silent culprits behind your empty wallet. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button. Every week, we share 2 videos, hidden truths about money, mindset, and meaningful living. Now let's ask, where is your money going? Unused subscriptions, late fees and penalties, rounding up without tracking, impulse buys that feel small, ATM withdrawals with hidden charges. These are money leaks, silent, sneaky, and spiritually draining. They don't just hurt your wallet, they steal your barakah. Here's your spiritual shield. Recite this dua with sincerity and let it guide your financial discipline.
اللهم إني أسألك الهدى والتقى والعفاف والغنى.
Allahumma inni as'aluka al-huda wa atuka wa al-afafa wa al-ina.
O Allah, I ask you for guidance, piety, chastity, and sufficiency. Who is this dua for? This dua is for the conscious earner who wants to protect their income, for the student learning to manage expenses, for the family trying to stretch every ringgit with wisdom, and for anyone who feels like their wallet empties faster than it fills. How to practice this dua? Say it before budgeting, recite it before spending, teach it to your children before giving them allowance. Let it be your reminder, sufficiency is better than excess. Barakah is better than balance. Recite it with faith. Share this with someone who's always asking, where did my money go? And don't forget to follow for more daily duas and financial wisdom. If this message touched your heart, subscribe and join the Green Diamond community. Together, we build wealth with wisdom and success with sincerity.